Pay attention please. Today, April 12th, 9:52 p.m. right now. So yesterday, the news told us the number of deaths people of because of coronavirus is 100,000 people. And in terms of the number of the death people, one hundred years ago, the Spanish flu, that was actually an influenza virus. 50 million people are dead. And regarding HIV virus, for now in total, 20 million people are dead. And now COVID-19, so right now 0.5 million, but 0.1 million, but it is estimated 1 million people will be dead for coronavirus. So this is size of the death people, okay? And for smallpox virus, the human beings eradicated this virus, and actually in 1980 the smallpox is eradicated, but it took 20 years. So it took 20 years, so this time the coronavirus it will take time to be eradicated, but of course we can reduce the number of the patient, the infectious patient. And now society can protect the people, society can protect citizens, but now it's changed. Citizens have to make an effort to sustain a medical field. Otherwise, the virus can destroy easily the medical field. So PCR checking machine in developed countries, it is maybe in the near future we can get we are easily available to the PCR machine, but so we can finish the pandemic. In developing country, it is actually very difficult situation to get the PCR machine. So even after we finish the pandemic in developed country, the pandemic can occur in developing country. We need to make an alignment all over the world to help each other. That is a very important thing. Okay, and in another aspect, virus will destroy the capitalism, because capitalism, for 2000 years we make a culture. We gathered in one place to make a culture. So it's a city. So human beings gathered one place and make a city as a culture, because it's more easy, more efficient, more convenient. That's why we made a city. But virus contradicts the city. So from now, countryside and rural area will have more value. So it is very interesting. So now is a turning point to make a new culture. In the aspect of social engineering, we should think about the economy also. school, government. So we cannot stop. So this is a basic core. So electricity, water sewage, communication and distribution. So this kind of industry, this is also important. So we cannot stop. So these are infrastructure. So we cannot stop. So but other industry like entertainment, food industry, and so on. So we should start again from low risk. We cannot do zero risk. So we should start from low risk. We should think about economy also. So infection and economy, the balance is very important. So regarding coronavirus, so initial symptom of coronavirus, they say smell disorder and taste disorder, because coronavirus bind to ACE receptor. So there is many ACE receptor in oral mucosa. So virus bind to this ACE receptor and destroy the taste cell. So that's why they will have a taste disorder. But if the virus go deep into airway and lung, so that will be a serious problem. I will attach the article down the description. So as I told you the previous video, teeth brushing can prevent coronavirus, and there's already an article from China. Teeth brushing can prevent coronavirus. I will attach the article down in the description. Wash your hands and wash your mouth and wash your teeth. Have a good day.